Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check, 4:10. Ay, grabe. Nagising ako for 4:01 na. Di nag-alarm yung aking cellphone kasi lowbat pala. Oh dear. Nakatulog na ako dahil oh my goodness. Ayun lang. Good morning everyone. Nag-struggle ako ngayong umagang ito. And buti na lang. 13 degrees tayo. Today is Tuesday, 13th of May. Oh my gosh. Abot pa ako sa bus ko. 15 minutes walk. Let's do this morning and one bus. Yun lang. Wala akong baon tinapay or sandwich or basta meron lang akong kape. It's fine. Ayun lang everyone. Thank you. And like, share, and subscribe. And my YouTube channel everyone. Bye bye. See you later again. Bumili na lang ako doon ng biscuit everyone. Kasi maaga pa naman. For 1 minute, darating na yung dito ako naghihintay ng yung si Banji. At least here, maraming tao. Kaya ayun. Good morning, kain tayo, everyone.
Sabi ko nga kay Jen ma'am kanina.
12 to 11, sabi ko, no. Sabi niya, it's one break, long day.
Good morning, everyone. Time check. Battery low. Battery low na yung ko. It's already 9:06. So, ito nga nangyari sa akin kagabi. Nakatulog na pala ako after ng meeting. And then, that is online meeting via WhatsApp. So, with my Living Mana family. So, ayun nga ang nangyari. Wala totally ang relo ko. Lucky that may may charge pa. So, ayun. And the phone, I bring my power bank and tawid tayo dito everyone sa pedestrian. I'm going to district line. So, ayun. Sakto, pauwi na ako ngayon. At least ma-full charge ko na lahat itong mga aking Diyos ko po. Talagang kaninang umaga nagsing ako ay 4:05. Ay, very very quick. Nagmamadali, hindi ako nakapaggawa ng sandwich ko. So, naano ko lang is coffee. And then, thank God dahil nakaabot pa rin ako sa aking bus. Yung time ko okay pa. So, ayun lang everyone. So, ngayon, let's wait for our turn here. That's it. Yeah. See you after here. So, I'm alone, everyone. Jun. Going to platform 4. Jubilee line. There. At the moment, no train. So, otherwise,
This train is the Jubilee Line service to Stanmore. Please allow customers to exit the train before going inside and mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap.
going home, everyone. Nearly at home, 9:45. So, ayun lang everyone, and see you again later after my siesta, and I'm planning to cook noodles because I have noodles there. So, tingnan natin dahil alam ko wala kaming kakainin for lunch ni nanay, para kahapon ay nag-rice siya. Ay, hindi pala. So, mag-pasta ako. Magluto ako ng pasta every day. Ang ganda ng araw na naman. Pero still malamig ang hangin. It is mahangin. May hangin, syempre. Pero, ngayon, I feel sleepy pa rin. Grabe. Kasi, anong oras na? Tapos yung meeting kagabi. So, ayun. Kailangan ko talagang matulog mamaya. At magbabasta ako ng gamit ng anak ko. Pauwi ng Pinas, everyone. See you when I see you, everyone. Ang sa ganda ng rose dito. Oh. Rose pala to. Ayan. Itimini. Akala ko kung anong bakod lang yan. Akala ko anong halaman lang. May naka-insert pala ng mga roses doon. Ayan lang everyone. This is a lavender plants. Daddy cool. Magluto tayo ng bawang at pasta. So, ayan lang ang aking lulutuin ngayon, everyone. See you when I see you. This is the finished product. So, kain tayo. Mag-lunch tayo, everyone. This is my lunch. Ayan, with tuna and parsley. Ayun lang, everyone. See you later. Kain tayo, everyone. At hindi nga ako nakapag-ligpit kanina. Kaya, ayan, mag-food charge tayo ng mga kagamitan. Everyone. At mag-impisang magbagahe. Mag-pack again. Bye at the moment. See you later, everyone. Boom. Good afternoon, everyone. It's 15:21. So, in ordinary time, it's 3:21. So, ayan, everyone. Tignan nyo dito, ang weather is 24 degrees. Yeah, sa kainitan ng araw, maglakad ako dahil kailangan ng sombrero. Parang may sun visor. So, ayun lang everyone. After kailangan natin ganito lang ang araw dito. Pag gusto mo, yan, pag ganitong panahon, pumunta ka sa park, naku po, ang dami nagbibilad. So, ayun lang everyone. See you after 2 trains and a bit of walk. 5 minutes to 8 minutes, something like that. It's my work is nearly at the underground station. So that's it at the moment. See you later, everyone. I am here and will stand big library. And second train, everyone is here.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The
Yeah.
next station is Baker Street.
Four, two, three. Init, everyone. Oh, see? Dami na naman tao sa park. Sa park ng Aldgate. The mini park in Aldgate. I'm almost here, everyone. So, mahangin. Mahangin dito sa Jewelry Street. See you everyone later. Ayun yung dorm ng dito. Ng ladies. Already here everyone. 11. It's 11. Level 2. Open it. Open it. Open it. Hi. Open it. Open it. You want me again? Live it! Bye, Bikas! Art is here. Yeah, there. We're going home, everyone. See you all After 2 trains and a lot of walks going home. Lots of walks going home. Or you see there's a lot of people in the park and the bar and everywhere. See you when I see you. Good evening everyone. Ito yung sinasabing good evening na pero maliwanag pa. Ito yung panahon pag summer dito, ganun. Good evening na pero maliwanag pa, diba? Ang saya. Nakaka-happy pag umuwi ka ng maliwanag pa. So, ayun lang ang update everyone. At ang mga puno ay may mga dahon na. Ang dami na ulit. Susunod niyan ang season na maglalagas na naman. And then matutuyo sila at maglalagas. Ganun lang yung cycle dito sa UK. Yan lang. See you everyone. Update ulit mamaya. Mag-dinner tayo. Bye at the moment.